No, he said you want a sucker and it sounded like motherfucker.
Want a sucker?
Want a sucker?
You'd be your best friend with that.
You want a sucker?
My purse.
Hi, pretty. Aw. You want a sucker?
Oh, so pretty bird.
That's the middle finger for him.
If she grabs it, then he'll bite her.
Yeah.
Oh.
Quit attacking me with those, okay?
Now what?
Hey, calm down, mister.
That's
Mr.
enough.
Sister.
That's enough. You're good. You're good. You're good.
You're a good
You're good.
boy.
Want a sucker?
Yeah.
Get him to say it, Tina.
Okay. Step up.
Come on. You're a boy.
Just step up.
Put him on the thing. Over here.
Huh?
Put him on his stump.
Do I need
Want
to
a
dump
sucker,
it?
Charlie? Want a sucker?
No, he's not afraid.
I'm big.
What?
I'll get you.
Now what?
Now what?
Now what?
Now what?
Hey, Birdie. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Are you pretty?
He's dancing.
So I'm starting the proper introduction. Candy, you haven't met Melinda?
Oh, yeah, we met at, what,
Oh, you did. Never mind. Okay. You want a sucker? Yeah?
Do you have to unwrap it?
Yeah, well, no, I'll do it. You want this?
You've already asked him. He isn't going to say anything now.
He'll get it himself.
Wow, that's a smart fucking bird, dude. It's so funny when he says want a sucker, it sounds like motherfucker.
It's a banana sucker, too.
Oh my god.
I'm totally putting this on YouTube. I've got it on videotape.
But you just started looking for a baby bird over there.
I have another one.
He's like,
I like that one.
Sure.
I'll hold that one.
Yeah, that one can't come outside.
Hello?
You know.
Hello?
Want a
Hello?
sucker?
Gotta go to work.
Want a sucker?
Want a sucker?
Well,
Motherfucker?
tell my husband. He will say that. We try not to say it too much because there's always kids.
Oh. Uh-oh. I'm not handing it to him.
Me either.
Oh.
Yeah, she's not for it.
Put it on the stump, dude. Put it over.
What?
Pretty quick.
What?
What now?
Quick.
Oh.
He's trying to play catch with you.
Now he's playing catch.
Catch it. Catch it. Ready?
Catch.
Ready? Back it up. Back up. Catch it. Ready?
Eat that.
Catch it.
Oh.
Want a sucker?
That's pretty much the best thing.
He's going to fight you, Jenny. He's going to get you.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh shoot, how did you get to that?
Watch out. If he does get it, it'll come off.
Oh, that button.
You did that on purpose.
Pick your nose
That
with.
is the coolest picture, like.
Yeah, Charlie.
Oh. Oh.
Are they just doing too much? Are they doing too much?
Are they doing?
Huh?
No.
Let me
Easy.
see your pretty wings.
Easy.
No. His tail's getting real
Calm
big,
down.
isn't it?
Calm down.
No, I don't think so.
Touch it.
It's a
yeah.
lot bigger than it was.
Yeah.
Touch it.
Touch it. Yeah.
Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle, it's tickle. Whiter. Because before he was...
Oh, goodness. Oh.
Donut. Donut. Donut.
He'll even wave hi to you. He'll go, bye, Charlie. Bye,
He'll say,
Charlie.
he'll answer the phone and say, hello?
Bye,
Hello? Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Bye.
Calm it down now.
Let me see your wings.
Open up.
Open it.
Open up. Your chickens are getting in the car.
They're hiding.
Hello.
Hello.
Your chickens hurt you?
Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hi. You waving hi?
Open up.
Look, they found perches.
Hello?
Hello.
Uh-huh.
Birdie bird.
Uh-huh. Okay, bye.
Birdie bird. Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie.
Hi, Charlie.
You want to dance? Like peekaboo.
Jen, you have have to stand. You can see her on my cousin's head.
Come on, let's go.
Hey, Charlie.
This is.
Look at us kissing.
Tell him how you
So you were taking one. That was too new, huh?
Get him to say tickle, tickle, tickle.
It's my mom.
Oh, you can do it. Yeah, you've done it. Can you do it?
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle.
Yeah, he ain't going to because he's too excited. Because the girls are all looking at him.
Baby over here is like,
You pickle.
he's got a
He's got a sucker.
Pickle.
Oh, thanks for all those kisses.
That little boy doesn't mind it. Pickle.
What else does he know?
Calm down.
Hi, baby.
Tickle.
Will you let me hold him?
Can't they take like a finger off if they wanted?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Like an entire limb.
Oh, my goodness.
He likes you, Jenny.
He's dancing for me.
Calm down.
Calm down. Calm down.
She's a shit. That's like a perfect shot. He's like,
You liking him? Oh, yeah.
You wave hi? Hi. Hi, Charlie.
Is that the one you're on now?
Hi,
I
Charlie.
don't know which order.
It's
Open
up.
Stolen, Dinosaur Magic,
Open up.
Industrial
Hi,
Magic.
Charlie.
You'll have to write them down for me. Open 'em up.
I
just don't know.
Oh.
Open up.
Oh. Hi, Charlie. Hi. 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 How are you, Charlie?
Hello?
Hello?
Make your phone ring. Watch, I'll call you.
Ring. Hi.
If I call you, sometimes I'll do it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello? Hello? Hello?
So who's planning the bachelorette party?
We are. I want a naked midget. See if he'll do it.
You know, James said the same thing.
Well, that's what she said. Hello? 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 Hi. Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Uh-huh.
Hi. Hello? Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
He's
Hello?
still on the phone, so
Hello?
he's going to keep saying it.
Hi. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Can you say bye?
Yeah,
Oh,
he'll
yeah.
say bye. He'll wait.
Bye-bye.
And
He goes,
every morning he said,
bye, gotta go to work.
Gotta go to work?
love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Bye, Charlie.
Bye, Charlie.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Gotta go to work.
Gotta go to work.
If you actually start walking away and say it, he'll do it.
Bye-bye.
Gotta go to work. Bye, Charlie. Gotta go to
Gotta
work.
go to work.
Gotta go to work.